We'll kick out that.
Hi, I'm Tracy Eaton from Face Talk. Diana Anderson, Yvette Shoulders and myself, the three face mappers, are in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia at the National Sales Money Convention. We've had an absolutely fantastic weekend, and one of the most special parts of it is spending time with our good friend Bob Yurichuk. Now, Bob is the number 7 sales guru in the world, and we've had an absolute privilege to share the stage with him, and he's absolutely fantastic. And also to let you know that you can learn a lot about Bob in our upcoming book, Face Talk for Sales Success, because we've got an entire chapter dedicated to Bob where he shares so many secrets and strategies and fantastic techniques to really up your bottom line and increase your sales results. So Bob, we've shared a little bit about your facial structures with you, about your nose and your eyebrows and the thickness of your skin and a whole lot of different interesting things.
Yeah.
So what impact has that had on you?
Well, I think when you first mentioned about my eyebrows being low, or no, they were low compared to yours, which are high, and how low eyebrows give a different perspective. And one of the things you'd mentioned is how I'm more down to earth and more casual. And it's funny when you said that, it clicked to me right away in that, gee, so many people say that I'm a better communicator without a tie and I should drop the tie. And then when you told me that, you know, I should be dressed more casual, it's more me, I'm a better communicator when I'm like that, more casual, I decided, okay, I'm dropping the tie. And it's funny, I just went through a whole photo session last week and took hundreds of pictures, but it was all without ties. So you've really helped me be a better communicator from the point of view of the dress side, because you got to connect with the audience, and if I'm not communicating properly, it's not going to work. So, and I know that I personally feel better without a tie, and I think people appreciate it. So I really appreciate that tip. The thick skin, you're absolutely right. I can endure pain more than more people can. I can persist more. I will get those results, and so that thick skin was absolutely right. You also mentioned the nose and the value for money and how much important time is. There's no doubt about it. Time is the number one thing in my life. Money comes, money goes, but time goes and we never get it back. And you always hear me talking about, we always in sales have to go out and get the best roadie, return on time invested. So time and value for money are big things with me. So it was amazing that from a simple, you know, what you took a picture and it just you pointed things out and diagnosed the problem within 3 minutes. It wasn't so much a problem, but you diagnosed me within 3 minutes and automatically knew how to connect with me, build rapport, and quickly communicate and get to the point. So it was unbelievable. And I'll tell you what, you were fantastic on stage yesterday. Oh,
Thanks, Bob.
You engaged those 500 people there. You had them in the palm of your hand. You shared so much information with them. And obviously they appreciated you, because that was one heck of an applaud you got.
Thank you so much, Bob. And you know what? It's really easy to look at your face, because everything about you, you're communicating it all the time, whether you like it or not. It's written there all over your
body
face
speaks louder than
for
words,
everybody to see.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Bob. We've had an amazing weekend. And everybody, you need to go and check out Up Your Bottom Line, Bob's fantastic book.
Yeah.
And where's the best website for people to...
Well, we have 3 websites.
Bob
One is bobu.com,
Yeah.
where you can learn about me from a corporate and sales trainer and speaker. And then we have upyourbottomline.com, where you could download a 1-hour audio interview and the transcripts on the whole system. Or you could go to www.disciplinedforlife.com and get the first 3 chapters of the book free. So those are freebies for people to enjoy.
And that's an awesome book too.
Well, thank you, yes.
Thank you so much, Bob, for sharing your time. And we really do value your time and the casual approach.
You got it, thank you. And I really appreciate you, Tracy, and Yvette, and Diana for being here this weekend. You really helped me a lot in every which way, and I look forward to our continued success working together.
It's our absolute privilege and honour. Thank you so
you.
much. Bye for now.